Congratulations, guys, for getting through this course and making it to this module. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to give you my concluding thoughts on how to apply this online business, become a great Redbubble seller, and also make the most money. And therefore, one thing that I'd like to leave you with is for you to understand the opportunity that we have with Canva and Redbubble. Because what Canva does is that it gives everyone the ability to design at a high level, a level that people are actually willing to pay for, but in a very easy way. And what Redbubble does is that it gives us the perfect marketplace to reach these people with our design in the form of products. Now, the people who make lots of money on the platform, they all have a few things in common. Firstly, it's the fact that they don't sell you a product, they sell you a brand, which is why just because it's easy to design pretty much anything on Canva, it's very critical that we don't do it at random. Pick a product niche or a design niche that you like and that you can build a brand around and start making products that fit your brand, right? So it doesn't matter if it's t-shirts, if doesn't matter if it's stickers, it doesn't matter if it's shoes even, and it doesn't matter what sort of designs you want to put on them. But what does matter is that whatever you choose, become the one-stop shop for that one type of product. Become that seller that your buyers can go to and keep coming back to because they know that you're the man or you're the woman that for that one specific type of product or one specific type of design that they really like. And once you've achieved this, then you can expand and move on to the next niche. So, for example, then maybe you can introduce another product, or maybe you can keep the same product but introduce another type of design on top of that product. But guys, be patient, be passionate, and enjoy the ride. Because at the end of the day, you're not working 9 to 5 for someone else, but instead you're building something of your own. So overall, I'm very excited for you guys to go out there and start making money with one of the best online businesses out there. So best of luck, guys, and don't hesitate to reach out to myself or Drew if you have any questions at all. We'll see you next time.